Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD assembly tutorial how to use angle joint. So as example, we have these two parts, and if you want to change the angle from this part, you can click at this icon, create angle joint, and I will select at this face with this face as reference and click OK. Now you can move the objects and we rotate these objects in right axis, and then you can move the objects, it will be back into the default angle. So you can click at this angle joint. You also can set for angle at this option, like I will set into 15 degree, click OK again, and then we can move. And if you rotate like into this angle, now you can move, it will be back into the default angle. Okay, that's it for a basic FreeCAD assembly tutorial, how to use angle joint. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.